How to view tasks in Horror Tale 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily view the tasks and perform it. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm already inside the game. Now here on the left top, you can see this idea icon. Tap on this idea icon. So here on the top, you can see this task section. So here there are different tasks that are available. So there are current tasks and next item. So you can easily find it as you play the game. After collecting some things, you'll be able to give different tasks, and it is a type of pen that you'll get in this game. So try checking it out time and again in order to find what to do next if you get confused. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.